Loving Nature Fortunate Coffee Cafe, LNFC Singapore, holds on to the concept of harmonizing with nature through healthy and natural food. Since our inception in September last year, 2021, LNFC Cafe has gained numerous positive customer reviews. We focus our efforts on customer service, hoping that anyone who visits LNFC will feel at ease. We keep persevering to ensure that every one of our dishes is made with love. On top of that, all our food is vegan and free of allergens. Living in a multicultural society like Singapore, LNFC Cafe has successfully attracted people of various races and cultures from approximately 32 countries. Many of the regular customers have also become friends as well. They even contribute to the promotion of nature-loving culture by sharing their expertise with LNFC Cafe, such as 3D jelly, homemade food, and self-grown herbs. At LNFC Cafe, we cherish every opportunity to broadcast nature-loving songs in the hopes that everyone can feel Mother Nature's love. We will also sing the Fortunate Birthday song to customers who come to the cafe to celebrate their birthdays. Besides that, LNFC Cafe takes the lead to encourage customers to donate Fortunate Bread to low-income families and orphanages. We believe that by incorporating everyone's effort, the world will progress towards greater brightness. Eventually, this world will be more beautiful because we care to give, regardless of how little it may be.